Have you ever dreamed of owning a private jet? It looks like the ultimate symbol of success. No long airport lines, no crowded flights, just luxury, comfort, and freedom. But here is the truth. Owning a private jet is much more expensive than most people imagine. First, there is the purchase cost. A private jet can cost millions of dollars, but buying the jet is only the beginning. The real expenses come after that. Every flight requires expensive fuel. You also need professional pilots, insurance, maintenance, and a place to store the aircraft. Even when the jet is not flying, it still costs money. Regular maintenance is another huge expense. Aircraft parts and repairs can be extremely expensive because safety is the top priority. So, why do wealthy people buy private jets? The biggest reason is time. A private jet allows business owners and executives to travel quickly, visit multiple places in one day, and work without wasting hours at airports. But many people choose another option. Instead of owning a jet, they rent private aircraft when they need them. This gives them luxury travel without paying all the ownership costs. A private jet is not just a vehicle, it is a business decision. For some people, the time saved is worth millions of dollars. For others, it is simply an expensive luxury. So, if you had enough money, would you buy a private jet? Or would you invest that money somewhere else? Subscribe for more simple business and economics videos.